Hey everyone, welcome to Sperm, and today we are going to enable the original dynamic island by Apple in any older iPhone. Follow this step-by-step guide to enable Apple iPhone's new feature dynamic island on any iPhone with updated iOS version. Do not skip any step as it might cause your iPhone to break. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. First, we need to install an application which is not available on App Store. You can download it by typing zeus.me in Safari, click on Browse on Mac.eco app, tap on IPA on Santander, let it download the IPA file. After download is complete, click on IPA and it will open in Scarlet and will automatically install Santander. By the way, if you don't know how to install Scarlet, a troll store alternative without jailbreak, we are making next video on that. So make sure you are subscribed to our channel, and if the video is published, you can watch it by clicking on I button. Then launch Santander, tap on these triple dots, go to and then tap on others. Now go into the description and copy the address given in there. Now paste the address here and tap on OK. Then tap on Cache Extra, search for OPEIK and tap here. Open Artwork Device subtype. Now first you have to take a screenshot of this page so that if you want to roll back to default you can. Then get back to the application and proceed carefully. If you have a regular or smaller iPhone, set the value to 2796, and for a Pro Max or Plus, set it to 2556. After entering the value, go back, tap on Done and tap on these three dots and select Respring. This will quickly reboot your iPhone and now Dynamic Island is enabled and you can try it out. So that is it for this video guys. Like the video if you found it helpful, share it with your friend and subscribe for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.